Hi friends, this is Devansh Lakhani from Lakhani Financial Services. First of all, let me wish all our viewers, everyone who's watching this video, wherever it is on YouTube or on Instagram, a very happy Diwali and a great and a prosperous new year to you and your family and your closed ones. Today I'm going to speak about a very important sector about India. So whenever we talk about the Indian economy, one of the most important sectors that we can come across or we can talk about is the agricultural sector. And agricultural sector is something which desperately needs technology to actually come to the savior of farmers, to help them improve their productivity and their revenue. So now is the time for agri-tech startups to shine, to give them a lending hand, to give farmers a lending hand, to give the agriculture economy a lending hand, to come out of whatever the trouble or the degrowth that we are going through, with the help of drones, with the help of IoT devices, data analytics. Obviously there are many agri-tech startups which have flourished over the last 3, 4, 5 years, and they are giving a very good supporting hand to the farmers and to the Indian agriculture sector. In fact, as per a data by Data Labs by Inc42, the agri-tech sector has recorded a funding of around $244.5 million in 2019, a growth of 350% over 2018. So that is massive growth, and I'm sure it's going to keep increasing from now on also. So today in this video I'm going to talk about 3 such agri-tech startups which have the potential to change the landscape of Indian agriculture sector, the traditional Indian agricultural sector. So let's go through these 3 agri-tech startups. So the first agri-tech startup that I'm going to talk about is called AquaConnect. It is a Chennai-based startup which is founded by 3 founders, and it actually uses AI and remote sensing technologies to help shrimp and fish farmers to improve their productivity and improve their revenue. So what it does is it has an application called Farm Mojo. It's a AI based application, and it provides the farmers, the fish farmers and the shrimp farmers, with the best quality data, suggestions, feedback on the basis of their analytics to these farmers to improve the water quality health, to improve the health parameters and the health checks that are there, to improve the feed consumption pattern, and then which helps the farmers indeed to actually improve the productivity, to improve their revenue and indeed the profitability also. So this is a Chennai based startup which has received over $1 million in funding, and it has already over 3,500 farmers on their platform or in their connects, and it is doing a great job, which I feel would definitely help the farmer community and the agriculture sector in India. So that's the first agri-tech sector which I think could change the landscape of Indian agriculture, AquaConnect. So the second agri-tech startup which I believe could change or is already changing the landscape of Indian agriculture is called Fasal. Now this startup was founded back in 2018 by Shailendra Tiwari and Anand Verma. This is basically a smart precision agricultural technology platform which provides real-time data and real-time analysis of the climate change and the climate risks which can be put onto the farm produce. So what it has a platform, IoT AI based IoT device, from which it collects the data from the on-farm sensors which have been installed on the farm. It collects the data regarding the climate changes, the climate risks, and this data is farm specific, it is crop specific, predominantly in the horticultural belt. So this device collects all these kind of data and gives the correct kind of accuracy to the farmers, so that the farmers can mitigate their risks and they can increase their productivity by taking prudent steps, by taking the advisory or the suggestions from this particular data. So Fasal claims that it has already connects with over 100 farms and over 1,000 farmers, and it works on a subscription based model depending on the on the farm size, the acreage that is there, and the number of crops or the quantity of crops that farm can actually produce. So that is the second agri-tech startup, that is Fasal. The third such startup, the agri-tech startup which can change the landscape of the agriculture industry in India, is Intello Labs. Now Intello Labs was founded back in 2016 and it is based in Delhi. So what it does is a very unique thing. It is a AI based device which does image processing of the food at the source to assess the food quality. So this gives very good inputs to the customers who have taken this particular platform or who have subscribed to this particular platform, and it is a B2B kind of a business that Intello Labs does, and its major clients are all the food processing units, retailers, food service companies, food growers and processors, etc. So these are its major clients from whom it charges a monthly subscription fee, and it's also received over $2 million in funding, which I believe now this could be a very good agri-tech startup which could change the landscape of Indian agriculture and could obviously improve the productivity and the revenue of the stakeholders that are concerned with this particular startup. So that's the third one, Intello Labs. Guys, if you've really liked this video on the agri-tech startups that could change the Indian agricultural industry or the sector, I would request you all to subscribe to my channel below, click on the like button and the notification bell so that we can always bring out good content on startups, on entrepreneurship, investing to you guys. Also would love to know in the comment section below which agri-tech startups do you feel could change the landscape of the Indian agriculture in the years to come. So would love to hear from you guys. Thanks a lot.